Sydney in the rear view, heading northbound strong. Boat full of bags, group chat rolling on. Pulling to Newcastle, keys already there. Cheese coffee machines humming, best coffee anywhere. Leather lounges waiting, big screen ready to glow. Bidets in both bathrooms, welcome to the show. Dual apartment luxury, coastal elite. You can smell the farts before you hit the street. No rush tonight, just one more round. Old stories loud, new ones found. It's a weekend in Newcastle, crashing at G's with the chosen few. Barely room dreams or the pantry floor. Wardrobe, gym, living room, bar open all night long for sure. Cafe counter stacked with snacks till dawn. Someone's out cold while the TV's still on. Tight on space but rich in flair. That's the Newcastle weekend at G's place there. There's a wardrobe, disrobe and chill. Even a gym complete with a treadmill. Cafe couch by the toilet, worth every cent. Pantry's got master chef vibes, where new recipes will be dreamt. Living room